In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on how to use the Sol trading bot. Now, if you haven't yet tried out this bot for yourself, you can click my link in the video description, which will actually take you to a page like this, and you can click Open Telegram, and then click Start to start using the Sol trading bot. Now, once you see this page here, it means that you've started the bot, and we're now ready to actually set up our wallet. And we can do that by clicking Wallets over here. Now, for you, if you haven't generated a wallet yet, you won't be able to see this section here, but you will be able to see this button that says Generate New Wallet. So you want to just generate a new wallet by clicking this here, and then it should update and you should be able to see the start of your wallet address right here. So now that we have actually generated a wallet, we can go back up to the top and click Start again, and we should now be able to see our wallet address and also our balance. But since it's your first wallet that you've made on here, your balance will probably be 0. So you need to copy your wallet address and just send some Sol over. And once you've done that, we can click Wallets, and it will say how much Sol you've got in here. And once you've actually deposited some, we're now ready to go to the next step. So next up, there's actually 2 ways on how we can buy tokens. We can either buy and sell them like we would normally, or we can also snipe them, which means we can try and buy them as soon as some new pairs launch. Now, the second way is more risky, however, you can make good money doing that, but I'd only recommend doing that if you kind of know what you're doing. So in order to buy and sell, you simply just have to paste a contract address. So we can paste an address in here and click Enter. We will now see all the information about the coin. So in order to buy this coin, all we would have to do is click Buy Mode. From there, we can choose an amount down here that we want to buy. So there are some presets, and there's also Buy X Sol, which means you can buy a custom amount. So if we wanted to buy 0.001, for example, we could do something like that. And when we click Enter, it will actually buy that. So as you can see, we now got that in our wallet. And we can see here the initial that we bought it for and how much it's worth now. Now, if you've got multiple coins, you can flick through it here. But if you've only got one coin, it's just going to stay like this. You can see your wallet here, which will show you how much is currently in your wallet. And if you wanted to sell it, we can do that using these presets down here. Now, if we wanted to buy some more, we can go back to buy mode and continue buying. But if we do want to sell, we can go back to sell mode and we can choose the amount that we want to sell. But in this case, I'm going to click sell all, and it will now sell all of it in one transaction. So that's the basics of how simple buying and selling works. But now on to the token sniper. Now, in order to snipe coins, you can find them usually on Discord or some sort of community like that. And you want to find coins that have set a trade start time. And this basically means that they have set a certain amount of time until they launch. And if I paste this contract address in here, you'll be able to see that the countdown ends in around 6 hours and 30 minutes. And we can also see that it's 100% burnt and renounced, which does actually mean it's safe. But you do want to check how much of the supply the dev actually owns, because if the dev owns more than 30%, it means that they will be able to scam you anyway by just dumping those coins on you. So once you have found a coin that's safe and has not yet listed, we can now snipe it. So we're in sniper mode down here, and we can see all of the different presets. So if we wanted to snipe this coin with 0.2 Sol, we could click that. And once that countdown ends, it will automatically snipe it for us. So let's just say I wanted to snipe it with 0.001. I can type that in, and that will now get the sniper ready. So it says it's pending because the coin hasn't launched. But once this countdown ends, it will automatically try and buy that coin for us. And from there, we'll have it in our wallet and we can hopefully sell it for a profit. Now, if you decide you want to cancel this sniper, we can go ahead and click cancel down here. And it will now be removed from your sniper list, and it will no longer try and snipe that coin. Now, those are the main functions of the Sol trading bot, and hopefully when you're done trading, you have actually made a bit of money. And if you have, that means you can withdraw it into a different Sol wallet. So to do that, you can click transfer Sol, and then if we wanted to withdraw all of our Solana from here, we can click transfer all Sol to 1, and from here it gives you examples of how to actually send it. So if you wanted to send 100%, you'll send it like this. Or if you wanted to send a specific amount, you can send it like this. But other than that, this has been my tutorial on how to use the Sol trading bot. As I mentioned earlier, you can click my link in the top of the video description, and it will actually take you directly to the trading bot so you can start trying it out for yourself. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.